Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone. Miss Adel. Today we will present our presentation about changes in consumer behavior during a pandemic. I'm Axel and my partner Dava Muhammad Zahran, and this is the background of research. It has been more than a year that the COVID-19 pandemic has swept the world. This pandemic itself has significantly changed the system of global society. There are many changes that, like it or not, have to be accepted by the wider community. In this case, the COVID-19 pandemic has also changed the economy in a country. Uh, Change in consumer habit have occurred so quickly, along with the imposition of strict rules related to the COVID-19 pandemic. These rules include regulation regarding social distancing, the use of safety equipment in activities like mask, face shield, and hand sanitizer, and each other. Uh, and then there are many changes in uh, consumer behavior, like change in payment method. Some of the restaurant or coffee shop, there are uh, not able to use cash when you pay what you buy. And then has been a massive and rapid change in the global economy that force people, in this case consumer, to change their behavior in economic activities in the country where they live. And then the purpose is to find out and provide knowledge to readers about the extent and what has changed from the consumer behavior during the pandemic period in the past year. So there is hope that afterwards the community can familiarize themselves with the economic changes that have occurred as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, both during the pandemic and after this pandemic end. There is also hope that after this pandemic, new behaviors and innovation can be created that can lead the economy to a more modern direction. The problem in this research is the the problem of changing consumer behavior during a pandemic. For example, like we are gathering with friends in a coffee shop, and that place provide online payment on digital wallets, while not everyone has a digital wallet. And the scope of this research is the aspect we discuss range from behavior change to the payment system. For example, we usually look for masks or buy masks that are cheap and easy to find, while during this pandemic masks become expensive and difficult to find. While the payment system, which is usually cash, become making payment through the wallet digital, through the wallet digital. And then the next slide, Dava, it's your time.
Yes. Hmm. Methodology of research. First, contents here. The study was conducted in April 2021 using survey research. Second, content here. The questionnaire was created using 5 open questions and 5 closed questions. Third, content here. This questionnaire has been distributed among young people aged 70 to 20. Data result. What is your age range? A 15 to 20 years. Percentage 99%. B 20 to 30 years. 1%. C, over 30 years, 0%. Question 2. Has a pandemic affected your finance a lot? Answer yes, no. Yes, 99%, no, 1%. Question 3. Have there been any change in the way you spend money during a pandemic? Answer yes. Yes, 100%. No, 0%. How will you spend your money during this pandemic? A, by shopping, 50, 55%. B, hangout 25%. C, 20%. Question 5. How have your shopping changed recently, especially since the pandemic? For example, the way you shopping. A, offline 50%. B, by online 45%. Both of them 5%. Next. Question 6. What do you think about the lack of interest in outdoor shopping? Answer 1. I think it's quite good to prevent it spread the virus. Answer 2. Hot sunshine and uncomfortable. Answer 3. Because more interesting. Answer 4. Because it is more effective to shop online than offline. And the pandemic situation has changed with what used to be a stride to the store to offline. Answer 5. We can see the product directly. Answer 6. Maybe because during this pandemic it's safer to shop online. Question 7. Why are you so many people doing home business during this pandemic? Answer 1. Many people are scared to doing office business because of this pandemic. Answer 2. For increased income. Answer 3. Increased income during the pandemic and very good opportunity to open home. Question 8. What do you think about digital money? Answer 1. It's easier used to save or cash money. Answer 2. Very great. Answer 3. Effective, efficient, easy, and practical. Question 9. Tell us what you know about changing consumer behavior. Answer 1. We can change customer behavior, but themselves can. Answer 2. Change in consumer can be happen because of this pandemic, such as declining business and some people losing their jobs, increasing number of unemployed, and others change. Question 10. Will this change in consumer behavior be permanent? Answer 1. Probably no. Answer 2. Change in consumer behavior today, of course, occur because of the encouragement of changing condition. Conclusion. So what we discussed earlier, consumer change to this pandemic are a lot, starting from people who didn't wear masks before to paying directly now through digital wallet. Solution. The solution needs to be more introduction to the community about the change that have occurred, medical aids and efficiency funds.
And thank you for the attention. There is our presentation. And thank you very much. Bye bye.